In this video, I'll show you how to add a list box in LibreOffice Calc step by step so you can create a simple interactive drop-down style control right inside your spreadsheet. This is really useful when you want users to choose from a set of options instead of typing everything manually. It can help keep your data cleaner, faster, and much more consistent. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open LibreOffice. If you're starting from scratch, go to the left side under Create and click Calc Spreadsheet. If you already have a spreadsheet open, you can use that one instead. Either way works fine, and the process is the same once you're inside Calc. Now that your spreadsheet is open, go to the top menu and click View. From there, hover over Toolbars and then make sure Form Controls is enabled. This is the toolbar you need because the list box is a form control and it won't appear until this toolbar is turned on. Once the Form Controls toolbar is visible, look for Design Mode and turn it on. This step is important because Design Mode lets you insert and edit form objects on the sheet. Without Design Mode, you won't be able to properly place or configure the list box. Next, on the Form Controls toolbar, click the list box icon. After selecting it, move your cursor onto the spreadsheet and click and drag to draw the list box where you want it to appear. You can adjust the size by dragging until it looks right for your layout. After placing the list box, right-click on it and choose Control Properties. This is where you can customize how the list box behaves. In the Properties window, you can add your list entries manually, or if you want a more dynamic setup, you can connect it to a cell range so the items come directly from cells in your sheet. If you're entering items manually, type in the values you want users to choose from. If you're using a cell range, make sure the source cells contain the options you want displayed. This is especially helpful if your list needs to update automatically later. Once you finish setting up the list box, close the Properties window, then go back to the Form Controls toolbar and turn off Design Mode. This lets the list box work as a usable control instead of an editable object. Now your list box is ready and users can click it to choose an item from the list. That's all there is to it. You've successfully added a list box in LibreOffice Calc. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step LibreOffice and spreadsheet tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.